Welcome back. Now, a seemingly innocuous school trip to Nagpur has taken a political color in the poll-bound state of Maharashtra. 5 students of the Nutan Bharat Vidyalaya visited the Hedgewar Smriti Bhavan in the city. The school says the students were taken to the RSS Founders Memorial as an initiative to teach them about the RSS and its founder. The opposition alliance, however, sees as a different motive behind this trip altogether.
In Nagpur Founders Memorial, they have been taught about the RSS ideology, about RSS founder also. आपको लगता है ये गलत है ये बात?
मुझे लगता है कि पॉलिटिकल अवेयरनेस हर एक के पार्टी का होना चाहिए और जो भी पॉलिटिक्स में आते हैं whoever comes into politics, school students in civics should be taken to all offices, not just one, every office.
Taking the students to a organizational headquarters has no meaning. The same organization has opposed Indian independence movement, the 1942 Quit India movement. They have opposed the constitution. They were of the opinion that Manusmriti should have been our constitution. Some of the parts should have been included in the constitution of Manusmriti. That is what they openly said. And if we are going to take them to this side of our culture, I'm really sorry, what kind of new generation are we giving birth to? School should not get into indulge into all this. They should be to the Constitution. The preamble of the Constitution is what the student should learn.
Meanwhile, the school authorities have clarified that the tour was only meant to provide inspiration to the children.
हम हर साल बच्चों को ये नागपुर में जो भी स्थल है ऐसे कि जहाँ से प्रेरणा मिल सकती है, ऐसे स्थल पे लेके जाके हमारा उद्देश्य एक ही है कि वो साल की जो शुरुआत है एक नए विचारों के साथ, नए ऊर्जा के साथ उन्होंने बच्चों ने शुरुआत करनी चाहिए। इसलिए हम 500 बच्चों को यहाँ पे लेके आए थे, जैसे 5th से 10th तक 500 बच्चों को लेके आए थे और वहाँ यहाँ दर्शन हो गया, उनको सब माहिती मिल गई, सब इंफॉर्मेशन मिल गई। उससे बच्चों को एक नई प्रेरणा, नई ऊर्जा जिन्होंने अपने देश के लिए जो भी योगदान दिया है, तो वो बच्चों को समझना चाहिए।
But the BJP has taken on the critics and reminding them that even now Indira and Nehru have also praised the Sangh in the past.
Basically, the opposition leaders are unnecessarily politicizing all these things. Dr. Hedgewar, who was the founder of RSS, is a patriot. Rashtriya Swayansevak Sangh, RSS, is a nationalistic organization. Even Indira Gandhi had also praised RSS after China war. Because of RSS work during war, Pandit Nehru invited RSS Swayansevaks to take part in 26 January parade. And so Rahul Gandhi and his brigade should understand the real history.
Well, we have Arunil with us right now. Arunil, good morning. A school trip turning into a political trip when it comes to the opposition leaders raising questions. Exactly what do we know of that, and what was the intention and the motive that is now being questioned?
Well, this basically happened after class 5 students from a Nagpur school. They were taken by the teachers, and the principal had taken this decision as part of an inspirational journey for these students. They were taken to the memorial of Hedgewar, the founder of Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, the RSS. That is when Jitendra Awad, the leader from Sharad Pawar's NCP, he raised the question, basically saying that the students are not only taught about the RSS. According to Awad, that is also wrong, but they are taught about Hindutva as well. And Awad basically said that the RSS really has no contribution in India's freedom struggle. In fact, the RSS had opposed the Quit Quit India movement as well. However, immediately a strong criticism against Jitendra Awad's statement came in from the BJP leaders as well. We heard Atul Bhatkalkar or there was Ram Kadam, both basically hitting out at Jitendra Awad, saying that the members of RSS basically take part in the rescue operations or rescue work, or they provide help to the victims whenever there is any kind of apathy or disaster that unfortunately takes place in the country. They indulge in social work as well throughout their life. They basically pointed out saying that Hedgewar was a social reformer. He basically was a revolutionary. That is what Atul Bhatkalkar has said. When asked Uddhav Thackeray's Shiv Sena, a kind of a balanced reaction they also gave in. They didn't hit out at the RSS. They basically said that it is a known fact that RSS is linked to the BJP, and if students are taken to the RSS headquarters, then they should be taken to
interesting
Indira
comment
Gandhi's
that are
as
now
well as
coming
to
in,
the
of course, from different political parties in the state of Maharashtra, the state that in a few months from now will witness an assembly elections. Arunil, thank you very much for the moment. All right, with that, we head into a very short break. The morning news continues on the other side. We are coming to you live from the Vijay Chowk.